Welcome back with another video with Hassan, irish-pak reaction channel. आज इस वीडियो पे गाइस रिएक्शन होगा। वो वीडियो के टाइटल की तरफ आते हैं। Inside Pod Hotel and Mumbai Central Railway Station. तो देखते हैं भाई क्या है पॉड होटल में, सेंट्रल रेलवे स्टेशन पे होटल है, वो क्या है, उसका अंदर से इंटीरियर कैसा है, ये देख के ही पता चलेगा। ऑल तो इनकी वीडियो बड़ी अच्छी होती है, तो वीडियो की तरफ चलते हैं। Without any delay, let's get back into the video, guys. 1, 2, 3. Pod Hotel at Mumbai Central Railway Station.
I am at Mumbai Central Railway Station inside the first ever Pod Hotel introduced by IRCTC. Welcome to Pod Hotels by IRCTC.
Oh my days, that's crazy. Beautiful, guys.
So मैं आ गई हूँ Mumbai Central Railway Station on a short trip and I'm looking for a budget accommodation. और मैंने सुना है IRCTC has launched their first ever Japanese style pod hotels right here at Mumbai Central Railway Station. So let's see what the entire buzz is about. Come on.
It is just like a hotel on the railway station, or just they can travel like this?
If you are traveling by train on a short business trip, a solo traveler or a backpacker, these pods are a unique, hassle-free and affordable living option as it's located right inside the station.
This gentleman tells me that I can live over here starting at rupees 799 only. I have opted for the classic pod. तो चलिए देखते हैं कि क्या है ये entire pod living experience.
Urban pod. Oh my days, that's crazy. Beautiful.
Wow, ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं कोई स्पेसशिप पे आ चुकी हूँ. So these are the classic pods and they look so futuristic, modern and chic. It has all the modern amenities inside.
This pod has a TV, small locker, mirror, adjustable AC, air filter vents, reading lights, charging point and some mood lighting.
तो आप सोच रहे होंगे कि यहाँ पर अपना लगेज कहाँ रखेंगे पॉड के अंदर. So don't worry because they have these mini lockers right next to your pod. तो आप यहाँ पर आराम से अपना लगेज रख सकते हैं.
That's crazy, man. Hats off. There's so much going on.
Honestly,
in the
I was a little skeptical about living
Indian
in a
Railway
pod because these spaces can make you feel claustrophobic. But trust me, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. I feel super comfortable because these pods are well ventilated, well lit, and I'm enjoying my stay over here. Wow, मेरा तो मूड कर रहा है यहाँ पर सो जाने का, लेकिन उससे पहले let's explore what else this unique pod hotel has to offer. तो एंटरटेनमेंट की यहाँ पर आपको कोई कमी नहीं होगी बिकॉज यहाँ पर है एक टेलीविजन सेट और आपको मिल जाएगा कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री वाईफाई. तो मैं जा रही हूँ अपना शो एंजॉय करने के लिए.
They also have a room for differently abled people and a washroom designed specifically for them.
Now if you are someone who isn't really comfortable in a co-living space, so you can always opt for the private pods. Everything over here is pretty much the same. The only difference is that these pods are a bit spacious and of course private.
Oh.
वैसे तो ये spaces काफ़ी safe होते हैं, but if you are a solo female traveler and if you're concerned about the privacy aspect, don't worry because they have an entire female specific section.
Oh, they do have it. That's really nice.
तो अगर आप अपने पॉड में बैठे बैठे बोर हो जाओ तो आप यहाँ आ सकते हैं. ये है कॉमन सिटिंग एरिया. यहाँ पर आपको कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री वाईफाई मिल जाएगा तो यू कैन ईजिली वर्क और यू कैन चिल ओवर हियर. One very important thing is that you aren't allowed to get any food items inside the pod hotel. तो अगर आपको खाना खाना हो so you have to go outside. वैसे स्टेशन पर काफ़ी सारे फूड जॉइंट्स और फूड ऑप्शंस है, तो आप वहाँ पर अपना मील अच्छे से एंजॉय कर सकते हैं।
इस पॉड होटल में स्टे बुक करने के लिए आपके पास दो ऑप्शंस है। या तो आप IRCTC के वेबसाइट पर लॉगिन कर सकते हैं और यू कैन सिंपली वॉक इन, बट यू नीड टू शो योर ट्रेन PNR नंबर फॉर आउट स्टेशन ट्रेन्स एंड द UTS नंबर फॉर लोकल ट्रेन्स while checking in. As this hotel is inside a railway station, you need a railway ticket to book your stay here. And no, platform tickets aren't allowed. The prices start at rupees 799 for a classic pod for 12 hours and rupees 999 for 24 hours. You can book the private pod at rupees 1199 for 12 hours and 1699 for 24 hours.
So we have pretty much explored the entire pod hotel. अब मैं जा रही हूँ अपने pod के अंदर सोने के लिए. This is me, Sara Gadvi.
This is the end of the video,
Stay
guys.
tuned to Curly Chase for more.
So this is the video. As you can see that this is a very beautiful and spacious the pod hotel at Mumbai Central Railway Station. I thought, you know, there's some sort of cabins in the railway station, but I was wrong, and it's actually on the railway station. Like some people have to come for the business meetings or for the visiting from different states, so they can stay over there. One thing I noticed that, you know, it's very spacious. The light is, it's like a studio. I mean, there's a private room, and then there is like if you are uncomfortable, like if you're traveling alone and you don't feel comfortable, you can ask for the female. I'm talking about the female side. So basically, yeah, you can stay in the where all the females you can find there. You can stay over there, and if you're still not like happy, then you can go for the private room, which is not that expensive. It's only 1200 rupees for 24 hours. For the single room is, I think, 799, and for the 24 hours and private room is I think it's 1200. ओवरऑल देखा जाए तो यार बड़ी ज़बरदस्त चीज़ है. मतलब इतना कुछ मतलब डेवलप हो चुका है इंडिया के अंदर. इट्स हैट्स ऑफ, you know, and she is really a famous YouTuber, and after such a long time just giving reaction on her video, and one of my subscriber she asked me to give the reaction on specific video. I was really amazed to see such kind of improvement in railway, and this is a great step towards, you know, for the convenience of the customers, convenience of the passengers. So मुझे तो यार बड़ी अच्छी लगी है. आप बताइएगा आपको अगर ट्रैवल करने का मौका मिला हो यहाँ पे, और the way she showed everything. I think maybe it's a sponsored video or something. She just went to the reception and they showed everything, spacious room, how it does look like, you know. The main thing is they're providing you Wi-Fi and everything. There's a TV, the big TV. You can do selfies, which is everyone doing nowadays. But yeah, it's really a good step for the locals. तो आपका क्या कहना है इस बारे में, ज़रूर कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइएगा. मुझे तो यार बड़ा अच्छा लगा है देख के. तो इसी नोट पे वीडियो को ख़त्म करते हैं. टिल देन टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ एंड बाय बाय.